Hi, I'm a VoIP expert. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to know if you've outgrown Google Voice, plus replacement recommendations. Why is Google Voice limited? Well, it is a go-to choice for individuals because it's free, it's very easy to set up, and honestly, it's just super convenient. But if you're an actual business trying to grow, you have a team where you're trying to collaborate and share call summaries, integrate with the CRM, or use AI-powered features, you run into its shortcomings. So maybe it's time to up your voice over IP game. Here are 4 key apps that we recommend. The last one is our personal favorite. Number 1, Zoom Phone. Most people use Zoom already. So if you're using Zoom, then Zoom Phone is it just makes sense. It's simple to use. It's affordable, starting at $16 per month, and they do offer some cool AI features. But the integrations could be better, and I think myself a very tech-savvy person, and I even struggled a little on the settings page. That's super confusing. Number 2, Nextiva. Why do people use Nextiva in the first place? Well, many people choose it because of its multi-channel features. It mixes voice and video meetings and team chat. They support desk phones, which is not to be taken for granted, and they do offer advanced customization options for IVR, call routing, overall phone configurations. But it has its own shortcomings. If your business is outside of the US, guess what? You cannot sign up for Nextiva. It's only for US businesses. So that is not good. And some people have said that the product is kind of hard to learn. The learning curve is hard with Nextiva. It's not an intuitive tool at all. Number 3, JustCall. Most businesses choose JustCall. Why? Well, there may be big businesses with international support, with calls to other countries, and JustCall is right for that. It supports international calling, local numbers, different languages supported in their AI features, and they do have strong CRM integrations. But unfortunately, when it comes to the billing, you start to get some confusion because with JustCall, it always happens the same thing. You're signed up and you're paying for your subscription, and you're realizing that, wait, the AI voice agent is built on top of my regular subscription. What is this? I don't want this. So many people struggle with JustCall because of non-transparent pricing. Number 4, Allo. Comes to no surprise. I've used it quite a bunch. It's hard to beat value for money. The starter plan, starting at $18 per user per month, is one of the cheapest in the market. It has CRM integrations with, HubSpot, Attio, Salesforce, Pipedrive. You name your CRM, you can integrate with it. Or if you have your own custom CRM, you can use the Allo API to automatically connect and perform automatic syncing of contacts and calls by yourself. It connects to your LLM of choice with the MCP protocol. It's a very strong feature. You can turn your AI agent into a support or sales call specialist. The mobile app is really good. It's as good as the desktop app. It's a mobile-first product, so you can make phone calls directly from your phone, and you have all of the call summaries and transcripts there. You can apply call tags directly on calls to better identify which ones need a callback, which ones are support calls, which ones maybe are a churn risk, so you can quickly prioritize your inbox. So when it comes to actually choosing your option, well, depends where your priority is. If you're looking for a cheap option, maybe Zoom Phone might be the right fit for you. Meanwhile, if you're looking for a strong tool with reliable AI capabilities or agentic first functionalities such as MCP connections, Allo might be the right fit for you. Otherwise, if you're looking for a service that bills you an extra for every single feature and you don't know how much you'll be billed next invoice, maybe JustCall is just what you need.